So currently doing some more mods. I'm putting the shelves in, collets, nuts. I'm still printing, so I'm still getting every second print fail or warping and stuff, but I'm pushing through until the parts come or the cable comes so I can try to fix the printer. So a lot of wasted PLA right now, but I'm doing it all PLA, it's cheap, and I'm just too impatient to wait. I also mounted the air. I can only get 2 screws in though. Third screw just won't align. Anyway, but I've now got the air mounted. It's articulated, obviously. I'm gonna have to work out how to get all the cabling out. I'm probably gonna have to, it's PVC, it's hard stuff. I don't want to get coiled cable, but I'm gonna have to work out how to attach it to like a panel in the back. So I'll just plug into that, and then I'll have from the other side coming in. I don't need a separate regulator. It's just going to be going through my compressor down there. So that's the aftermath of my cut yesterday. Pretty exciting. So lots more stuff to print. I've got another one printing at the moment. Hopefully it won't fail. They're, 3 to 7 hour prints. And my saw's getting a pretty good workout, I have to say. So here it is installed. It seems that my tolerances were a bit too tight and that bolt won't go in at M5. As you can see, it's slightly out. Not the end of the world. It's being held on by 2, and it's really just to keep it still and tensioned. This is fine. So on my next cut for the neoden, I'll just make those a bit wider, which is fine. I did a manual deburring around the inside parts because obviously they were sharp, and I didn't do a chamfer on this particular piece. You'll see from the video that I released later in the week, I did it all just with one 4mm single flute flat end mill. I didn't want to do a tool change on this first cut, even though I had to do it in different passes. There were 2 passes, and in between you'll see that I did all the holes and then screwed it onto the wasteboard to keep it still for when we did the pass to the outside, which worked out really well, better than I thought it would. So I'm really happy with the result. Everything fit. The hole for the stepper was a very tight fit. I can't remember what Peter called it, compression fit or something, where it's like an exact match. I'm going to make it slightly wider for the next cut, and I'm also going to do a chamfer pass, but just a single op, so just one side. The side that the stepper comes into, I won't do a chamfer because I don't want to have to worry about how I'm going to flip it and then realign the workspace. That's for a future Scion. But I'm pretty shocked this actually happened first time without an issue. It was a very conservative cut, as you'll see in the video, although Peter did speed it up to 140% as soon as we started because it was going much slower than it needed to. I'm pretty sure we can make it a much more aggressive cut. I mean, there are people that are cutting mild steel on their Milo, maybe not with a 4mm bit, but anyway, this was fine. It was really exciting. I got a sore arm holding my camera while I was videoing it, but whatever, it was good. Very exciting. So yeah, first cut worked, everything lines up, and I've now got rid of the plastic print that was here. Okay, thanks for being a supporter, I really appreciate it. I will catch you all later. Bye.